Our dyes requires no temperature whatsoever during the whole dyeing process. We have a Bioindigo. It reduces 98% use of water. Innovations are always inevitable for industry like textile to adopt, and obviously there are some scopes as we discussed that we must think of alternatives to using water-free dyeing or waterless dyeing. We are now in search of low temperature dyes or maybe no temperature dyes, like in our case in Herbal natural dyes. Our dyes requires no temperature whatsoever during the whole dyeing process. So this cold dyeing and also low temperature dyeing, like dyeing within 50 or 60 degree, that is area. If we work and if we are successful, then industry will be benefited. And there are also some options like microbials or maybe agri-based to be used in as a dyes, so that it will give benefit to the factories, and some innovations in the chemicals which helps the ETP load to be reduced, so that the environmental impacts, environmental hazardousness should be reduced in ETP, and there should be a radical shift from conventional to bio-auxiliaries. This is the future. Biodegradable products must be introduced in the market to meet the challenge. Yes, of course, there will be certainly these things will arrive in Bangladesh also, like the other countries of the world. We are already concerned. We are already concerned about this issue, and Sameet as well as some other leading enterprises are obviously looking for the solutions. And you know that in Bangladesh we already have introduced low water consumption dyes. In our case, natural dyes takes less water than the conventional dyes, so that's how we can manage the less water use thing. Apart from dyes, we are focusing on our natural pigments, and we have a Bioindigo, which is used as a coating powder to reduce 98% use of water. We have some other pigments which you can do coating, which you can do printing. Even indigo, you can go with the printing. We are having significant achievements over there. Even the color fastness are at very par with the synthetic one. So yeah, there are challenges, but we are working on it. And obviously we can be able to give the solution with less water or waterless solutions to the factories by introducing such kind of thing. Not only that, we are also thinking of sourcing the factory who can make dyes with highest fixation, and so that there will be less water consumption. Once the dyes will be fixed in the moleculars, then it will have a less drainage and less color shading there. So that's how the ETP will be safer to reuse the water very easily rather than making the cost higher. Less water consumption products are there, and we are trying to get the alternates from the market over the globe for Bangladesh to meet this kind of challenge if faced in next few years.